Very nice stay. Host was very helpful in answering my queries promptly. Apartment is acceptable and very cozy. Thank you. Worth stay. Very nice and clean. Worth the stay. Really appreciate. Thanks a lot. Spacious studio apartment with accessible location. Pros: convenient location, room is well equipped with facilities and basic necessities like towel, iron etc. Well-maintained room with CNY decor to welcome the upcoming CNY. Staff is ultra-friendly and is always there when I need him/her. Check-in is easy with simple and direct instructions. Will definitely stay again. Cons: lift is old and sometimes quite slow. No luggage deposit after checking out, which caused inconvenience for travelers with children like us. Overall, a happy and welcoming stay in Hommie as pros supersede the shortcomings. Condo facility well equipped. Staff response timely. Our family enjoyed well, location and venue is great. Will return for more weekends relaxation. Everything was good. Easy check-in. Room was great. Enjoyed the stay. Easy contact. Clean and nice facility. Location is perfect. We stayed one night on Monday. There was a night market just in front of the apartment. We tried lot of delicious food. Exceptional. Very friendly staff, answered every question promptly. Great location with walking distance to KSL Mall. Apartment unit very clean and pleasant to stay. There are also cookware, washing machine, clean towel, everything you can ask for is there. Highly recommended. Exceptional. Clear instructions given to access apt. Owner was efficient in replying to my queries. Room was very neat and clean. There's an area to cook with provided utensils. Washing machine too for laundry. We had a very comfortable sleep after a long day out. Hugely recommend. KSL Mall right beside it in a neat area directly across apartment 24 hours. A good stay. The host was very prompt in responding to any queries. Check-in and out was a breeze. Well done. Short trip. My first time staying at the Esplanade residence. Location was good. Next to the mall. The apartment was very clean and just nice for my family of 5. The owner, Michelle, was also very friendly and pleasant. Very prompt in replying and gave clear instructions. Thank you. Enjoyable stay. Great convenience. Huge place for 2 to 4 packs. Had a very enjoyable stay. Cute unit. The unit is suitable for one night stay.